In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your email address on Dhgate. To get started, sign in to your Dhgate account and look toward the area of the page where your profile name or account indicator appears. This section usually gives you access to your personal account controls. Click on that profile link to open your main My Dhgate dashboard. This is the central place where you can review account settings, security information, and important account alerts. Once you are inside the dashboard, take a moment to find the Safety Details section. In that area, you should see an alert or notification badge that says Verify Email. This notice appears when your email address has not yet been confirmed. Go ahead and click that verification alert to continue. This step is important because it moves you directly into the email confirmation process and helps make sure your account is more secure. After that, open your personal email inbox in a separate Chrome tab. Keeping Dhgate open in one tab and your email open in another can make the process easier, since you may need to switch back and forth quickly. In your inbox, look for the verification message that was sent automatically by the Dhgate system. If you do not see it right away, give it a careful look and check folders like spam, junk, or promotions, since automated emails sometimes end up there instead of your main inbox. When you find the message, open it and read through the email body. You should see a confirmation or activation link included in the message. Click that link to complete the verification. Once selected, it should redirect you back to Dhgate and confirm that your email address has been successfully verified. If the page takes a few moments to load, just wait briefly and avoid clicking multiple times, since that can sometimes create confusion with the verification session. After the confirmation goes through, your account should show that the email has now been verified. That's all there is to it. By completing this process, you make your account more secure and help ensure that you can receive important updates, alerts, and account-related messages from Dhgate without interruption.